Sana all. Endless love. Janine at Jericho. Marami na namang supporters ang pinakilig. Kahit nga behind the scene, nang naging photoshoot at commercial na magkasintahang sina Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales para sa bago nilang ini-endorso ang Bello Beauty, kung saan sila ang new ambassadors sa Ultera Prime, ayon sa naging post ng Bello Beauty. Bello Beauty, choosing to refine how they show up in the world at Jericho Rosales Official and at Janine Gutierrez reflect the essence of the modern Filipino, timeless, confident, and gracefully grounded in their prime. I feel like age is just a number as long as you take care of yourself and your inner beauty. It will always show outside, Janine said. Jericho chimes, what really matters is that you love what you have now. In every stage, you appreciate yourself. At the same time, there's nothing wrong with having support for your skin, for your health, and being able to embrace technology and medical advancement. Discover their story. Bello Beauty, hashtag Bello Ultera Prime, isn't about changing your face. It's about revealing your best at every age, while gently pausing the hands of time. It's subtle, sophisticated, and completely you when it comes to timeless beauty. This is the quiet luxury your skin deserves. Swipe to discover more about this next generation non-surgical lift. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang Ekonin supporters at endless love daw ang nagaganap kina Nini at Eko. Sa naturang video kasi makikita na palaging magka-holding hands kahit sa photoshoot pa lang. Isa marahil ito sa love language nila at kung hindi holding hands ay palaging pagyakap ng mahigpit ni Eko sa nobya. Kagaya na lang ng namataan kamakailan sa mga larawan na kumalat sa social media. Ang naganap na rap party ng Quezon kung saan nakisaya at nakipagsayawan pa si Janine sa nobyo sa naturang party na yon. Game na game din naman si Janine at supportive jowa daw kay Eko na kahit hindi siya kasama sa cast ay present siya sa naturang event. Welcome na welcome naman si Janine sa mga co-actors at Quezon team kaya naman nag-enjoy din ang dalaga. Anyway, simula nga nang lumantad ang Ekonin sa kanilang natatanging relasyon ay nagsunod-sunod na ang kanilang mga endorsement together. Tulad na lang ng Tiffany Co, Tatler PH at ngayon nga ay ang Ultera Prime under Bello Beauty. O diba, bumabaha ng blessings ang Ekonin na hindi nga may kakaila na sobrang nakakakilig at makikita mong in love sila sa isa't isa. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.